Breaking past habits. Using negative forms and questions in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to explore an interesting part of the English language: expressing past habits using negative forms and questions. This is essential for communicating effectively and will take your English skills to a whole new level. Don't worry, though, we're going to break it down step by step, so it's easy to understand. Let's get started. Negative forms in English grammar are used to express the absence or negation of something. In terms of habits, this can mean a habit that was not done in the past. We often use did not or didn't, combined with the base form of the verb to express this. For example, I didn't eat breakfast every day. Let's try some examples. 1. She didn't play the piano as a child. 2. We didn't travel much when we were young. When forming questions about past habits, we typically start with did, followed by the subject and the base form of the verb. Remember, we're asking about habits in the past, not just one-time events. Here are some examples. 1. Did you used to read a lot when you were a kid? 2. Did they always eat dinner together? Now that we know how to form negatives in questions, let's combine them. This allows us to ask about habits that didn't occur in the past. We do this by starting with didn't, followed by the subject and the base form of the verb. For example, 1. Didn't you used to hate broccoli? 2. Didn't they used to live in New York? Remember, practice makes perfect. Try forming your own sentences using these patterns. And that wraps up our lesson on expressing past habits using negative forms and questions. It might seem a little tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master it in no time. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Thanks for watching, and keep chasing your language learning goals.